Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my daughter and today we're going to be doing some more alphabet art. Today we're doing things that start with the letter U.
U.
Yeah.
U.
Ooh.
U.
So the letters are the words are unicorn, ukulele, and umbrella. Should we do the saying to help us remember?
Yes.
Get ready, set, go.
Big U, little U. What begins with U? Unicorn, ukulele, umbrella.
U, U, U.
A-ooh, a-ooh, a-ooh.
All right, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Yes. Yes.
So the way we're gonna do it, we're just gonna do her face to make it a little bit easier. So we're gonna start with the ear. And we're gonna just do the ear and a little little shape inside, yep. And then we're gonna do a bang. It swoops forward like that. And then it comes back to the base of the ear. Good job. And then we're gonna do a horn. And you can draw some little lines in there. And you can even do another part of the bang behind it to show that it comes out through the bangs. All right, and then right here, we're gonna curve down. And then curve back like that. Good job. And then a smile and a nose. Good. And then just a little eye.
Oopsie daisy.
Oh, it can be a big eye. That's totally fine. And maybe some eyelashes.
Kind of big.
That's all right. And then we need some hair coming down back here. So make some curvy lines. And then like another one right here. Maybe one right here.
Mommy, look.
Whoa, that's some big hair from that unicorn. Very beautiful. And then we can do just one more line for the neck right here. Cute. Awesome.
I did so good on it.
That's so cute. All right, so we're done with the unicorn. Now we need to do a ukulele. So let's start with the top of the ukulele. We need a rectangle. And then a bigger rectangle.
Don't forget about the tuners.
Yep, and don't forget about the tuners. That's right.
Always have to tune your ukulele.
Yep, and then the strings are actually in this part, and they go past. And I've got room for 4.
Lots of strings.
And then a circle right here. And then a line for the bottom of the strings. Okay, and now let's draw the figure 8 shape. So we're gonna start from right here at the base of this rectangle. We're gonna curve in.
Oh, oopsie.
That's okay. And then we're gonna come around and then curve in again. And that's our ukulele. Cute. All right, now an umbrella. I'm gonna draw mine right here in the middle. We make a rainbow shape.
This is a better rainbow shape.
Oh, I like it. And then you make little rainbow shapes.
Oopsie.
That's okay if you did it differently than mine. And then you can draw polka dots in it, yeah.
Let's have both sides. Ooh, how about 12?
Oh, okay. Now we need a little tip right there. And then think about it coming down through the umbrella and coming down here. Same size. And then you make another U shape down here. Cute. That's the handle.
What begins with U?
Yep, umbrella. All right, so now we need to do a big U and a little U. So upside down umbrella is how you draw a big U. And then a little U is very similar, but it has this little line right next to it, huh?
I did it!
You did it. So that's a big U and a little U. Good job. You ready to color it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing things that start with the letter U. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we'll see you next time when we draw things that start with the letter V. Bye!